Hi everyone, this is the third day that the chicks are out in the run. I didn't get to film it the first time. It was pretty much uneventful. We had a heck of a time trying to get them to come out, and then once we finally got them all out, of course nobody wanted to go back in. They couldn't understand how to get up the ladder the right way and get up in there. Yesterday morning, the second day, 4 of them ended up coming out, because by the time we got home from work yesterday at about 3 o'clock, 4 of them were out. And then I came over to the door where I'm at right now, and with some greens in my hand, and they saw me from the coop door, and they all came running out at that point. And at the end of the night last night, all but 3 of them figured out how to go up the ladder and get back up on the roost. So we ended up just catching 3 of them to do that. And that which happened to be Miss Blue Splash Moran right here. That she is so sweet. We nickname her Special Edna. And the other one that was still out was, I don't remember. I think it was this one right here, the golden lace Wyandotte. Oh yes, and this one with the butt towards us, that's our lavender Orpington named Debbie, after my cousin Debbie. She wanted to name one of them, and so she named that one after herself. Anyways, this is the third day. We got home from work and all of them were out. So I have high hopes that they will all make it back in tonight. So we shall see. Tossing them some mealworms, and Miss Speckles down here, the speckled Sussex right here, she goes crazy over them. She's a piggy. We've enjoyed them a lot. Yes, and that's the noisy dogs in the background. But that's okay. We're glad they're there. They keep things safer around here. Really love the nipple waterer. It keeps things really clean. And their food container that we got with all the major slits in it and stuff, I don't know how much difference that's making. It's supposed to help keep them from kicking stuff out, but I think the height, having it up, also helps. So far, they've got new food. It's organic scratch and peck grower, and they love it. They love it a lot, and there's nothing on the ground below it. Nothing. So I'm really happy about that. And then we call that one next to Sherbert. Where am I? Right here. That's our crazy hawk chicken, which is our Easter egger. And that is Sherbert, our outdoor cat. Well, I guess that's it. Hope you liked the video. Today is April the 11th, 2019.